In today's video, I will walk you through how to use symbols in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document or create a new one. To access the Symbols panel, go to Object in the top menu and select Symbols. The panel will appear, usually on the right side of the workspace. In the Symbols panel, open the Symbol Set dropdown. Here, you'll find different categories of ready-made symbols, such as AIGA, logic symbols, and flowcharts. Choose a category that fits your project. To add a symbol, simply click and drag one from the panel onto your canvas. You can then move, rotate, and resize it just like any other object. You can also create your own symbol. Select an object or group on your canvas, then click the Add Symbol button in the Symbols panel. Give your symbol a descriptive name, and it will be saved in the current document's symbol set. You can then drag your custom symbol onto the canvas whenever you need it. This is especially useful when you need to reuse the same artwork multiple times while keeping your design consistent. If you want to edit a single symbol without affecting the other copies, select the symbol instance, go to Edit, choose Clone, and select Unlink Clone. This turns that instance into a regular editable object. And that's how to use symbols in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.